So yes guys, see there now. We have some Sprott here. Some nice Sprott we have here. So we go ahead and already season them up already. So what I put on them, I just put some all-purpose seasoning, some fish seasoning, a little garlic powder, and then we cut up some garlic and some scallion. So you know what, I'm gonna just mix up that now and then yeah, start fry them. So yes guys, see pot here, this up I'm gonna fry the fish them in. Now let's go ahead and show my oil. That amount of oil never did enough, so you know I'm gonna add some more oil in the pot. Yeah. So in this pot now, you know, I have piece of onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, and pepper. I have green pepper and you know a bright one. So you know, I'm gonna fry the fish just like that. You know, to flavor my fish them. And some I fry my fish with a lot of natural seasoning. So yes guys, may I just go ahead now and stir that in. So there you have them. So I'll go ahead and already mix them in. So you know the oil are hot. So as soon as the oil hot, I was go ahead and start frying them. So I'll just show you guys when I'm frying them. So guys, when I'm finished frying them, I'm also gonna make the sauce to put on them, which I'm gonna use vinegar, carrot, onion, and a lot of pepper. Yeah man, because you know, the escovitch fish can't eat without pepper, you know it have to have that pepper taste, spicy. Yeah man, so there you have them, nice and seasoned to the bone. So yes peeps, the oil hotter now, so you know me go ahead and put in the fish them, let them go and fry, you know, yeah. So guys, there they are in the pot. Boy, fire go and bad. I pay oil and splash on them something. Ouch! Boy, it was hot man. Guys, I pay oil and splash on them something and it burn hot. 1 minute. So yes guys, this is the first set of Sprott. Then we're almost done fry. So I'm go ahead and take them out now. And then put in the next set. So yes guys, this is the first set of the fish I fry, the Sprotts. So there you go. So yes guys. So yes guys, this is the second set. Coming on just fine. Yeah man, I saw fish for fry. Yeah. So guys, that's the second set. Part of this adventure, this experience. So yes guys, this is the finished product of the fish. Alright, the number 35054. There they are. 9. Come and get. And guys, so this is the pickle that I'm gonna make to put on the fish, the sauce with onion and pepper, carrot, and also yeah, we have onion, carrot, and vinegar and pepper. See? So I'm gonna get this steam now a little bit more, and then we finish. So yes guys, you know, this is what I'm gonna eat for my dinner. Some home style fried chicken and some white rice steamed down. Yeah man, I'll show you the white rice when we start this. But yeah, let me know down frying fish and I still have a few more fish to fry. But yeah. So yes guys, I'm just adding the rest of my sauce. As I see it's finished. So this is what we call escovitch sprats. Yeah.
In Nashik, India, a hyena is found in distress, but was fortunately rescued by the dedicated team at RESQ. A huge 19-kilogram fish is caught in a river in Gagra. It's amazing to see such beautiful creatures being taken care of by the local villagers. Multiple tigers are recorded at a national park in Bengaluru.
So yes guys, when I'm finished I'm gonna show you the finished product. Finish put on the rest of sauce on it and then let you guys see. So yes my beautiful peeps, this is the finished product of my escovitch sprats. Yeah man, real escovitch sprat the Jamaican way, yeah. Colorful and beautiful, yeah. So yes guys, here's my home style fried chicken. So beautiful and tasty and nice. Yep. So guys, I'm gonna have that chicken with this rice here. So there it is now guys, white rice and home style fried chicken. There is it in a plate. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to, tell them about the channel. There we have it.